Hello, welcome. Let's continue our discussion on depreciation and percentage 2. This is episode number 11. I believe by now you watch from the first episode to where we are now. The value of a car depreciates each year by 8% of its value at the beginning of the year. So if the value of a new car is 31,500, we have to find its value at the end of the fourth year. So it will be depreciating every year. So at the beginning of the year, which is going to be the end of the previous year, the value will still depreciate 8%. So let's see how we can do that. Remember, the rate of depreciation is given as what? 8%. Then value of what? The car. We can say that original value of the car is given to us also as 31,500. Remember, if this is the original price, the value of the new car will be depreciating. So we can say that new value or new price. Okay, let me use value. The new value will be equals to the 100% minus the 8% of, this is going to be 92% of the original price. So this value, which is the new value we are looking for, is representing all the years. There are 4 years that we are going to have. At the end of the 4 years or the fourth year, we need to know the actual value. So this new value is just 92% of the original price. So let's see the value. Let me just say at the end of first year, right? That is going to be the 92% of what the cost of the price of the car is now. Meaning 92%, meaning out of 100 times 31,500. We know that this two zeros will cancel this. So 92 will have to multiply 315. And that will be giving you 28,980 Ghana cedis. So this being the end of the first year becomes the beginning of what? The next year. So what will it be? We can also find the value at the end of the second year, right? Let me just say second year. Still 92% of the value of the car now at that time, 28,980. So if that is also done, we can have, so this when calculated will be giving you value of 26,661.60 pesos. Don't forget, this is just for the second year. We have to go again at the end of the second year, become the beginning of the next year. So value at the end of, let's just say, the third year, it is still going to be 92% of the value at that time, which is now 26,661.60 pesos. Let's do that arithmetic and see. And that will leave us 24,528.67 pesos. We are still at the third year. We need the last calculation. So let's go to the value at the end of the fourth year, right? That would be fourth year. What will it be? It is still going to be 92%, right? So 92 over 100, right? Then we multiply that value by the price in third year, 24,528.67. And that, when calculated, will be giving us 22,566.37 Ghana cedis. So at the end of the fourth year, the value of the car, which used to be 31,500, will now worth 22,566.37 pesos. Per the concept of step-by-step calculation, we can do this. We can also use the second method, which is the formula method, and see how the answer will be, whether you get the same thing. So for the formula method, remember we need the value of the car, value of car, right? Which in this case is the P. I think that is A, right? Equals to the 31,500. Okay, so we have the rate, which in this case I use small letter r, is given to us as what? 8%. The number of times we are doing the depreciation is 4. So our new value, just by formula, a way of formula, will be the A, which is the amount, the original price, times into bracket 1 minus r, all raised to the power of what? N. So by substitution, your new value should be equals to the 31,500 times 1 minus the rate, which is in percentage. So it will be 0.8 raised to the power of 4. If we maintain our 31,500, 1 minus 0.8 will give us 0.9. So I have 0.92 raised to the power 4. We can decide to find this in terms of percentage, in terms of decimal, then multiply by the 31,500, or put all these in your calculator and see the value that you will get. And that will be giving us 22,566.37 pesos. All right. So if you look at it, the formula method is a little bit short. If only we can remember the formula, you can go straight for it and apply it. If you want a step-by-step approach, that is the first method we did before we came to this. I believe the concept on depreciation, either by step or by formula method, is understood by you. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.